this is where like I have my own bias, right? Because like as a Muslim, we believe that we have souls, and we don't think that algorithms have souls. So let's say I had you, John, and I had like a robot version with you, with an algorithm that I put all your memories into it, and it looks exactly like you, it speaks just like you. To me, that's not you, because what makes you you is your soul, and that machine will never have that. It might simulate it, but it's a simulated intelligence. It's a simulation of what you are. But if you don't share that worldview, arguably you can say, what is the distinction? Because as long as you have memories and you have simulation of intelligence, what is the distinction between biological me and a copy version of me?
Yeah, interesting one. Well, I was listening to a podcast on the way here around a similar thing, and what's interesting is they were talking about, obviously historical kind of AI was based on sort of decision tree stuff, so you could basically follow a process down and you can kind of get to, you know, where a kind of an AI would come out with a solution. It's explainable how it arrived at that decision. With modern neural networks, etc., they know how it was built and they know what the expected answer is, but they don't know how it works in the middle.
It's the black box problem.
The black box problem, yeah. So is it like, because of that unknown, are we then basically, is it the unknown that kind of creates, we're getting into really deep stuff here, that kind of creates a soul, as it were?
It's the unknown is where you get like a lot of mysticism around AI. When you have a piece of software that can predict amazing things, statistically it's so complex, the people that designed it don't actually know how it's come up with the output, how it's making the predictions. And that's when you look at it and you're like, this thing's magic. I've just invented some magic machine that tells me. But then when you look at deep inside of it, at the end of the day, it's not magic. It's still mathematics.
Yeah.
That really, when you decipher it, it's still going down. It's still making predictions based on data. But then arguably, for someone that wasn't religious, they would say that we're just prediction machines
based on
data.
Yeah.
And we're just biological processes and hormones that make predictions.